Standard 9th Algebra, Chapter 7, Statistics, Part 5. Module, we will be learning about cumulative frequency. Before that, let us recall what we have learned in the previous module. We have learned about grouped frequency table from ungrouped frequency table. We have learned to make small groups which are called class, the class limits and class width. We have also learned about tally marks and frequency. So, what is cumulative frequency table? Now, cumulative frequency table is the sum of the frequency of a certain class and all the frequencies of the previous classes is known as cumulative frequency less than type from the upper limit onwards. Now here in this table we have the frequency of 14 as 1. So in this row the cumulative frequency will be 1. Second row 15, the frequency is 2. The cumulative frequency will be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Third marks, that is 16, frequency is 5. So cumulative frequency will be 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now the fourth mark, that is 17, frequency is 2. Cumulative frequency will be 8 plus 2 and that is equal to 10. So the cumulative frequencies of each marks here are 1, 3, 8 and 10. That is total number 10 will be in this row. Let's start exercise 7.4, question number 1. Complete the following cumulative frequency table. The class or height is given in centimeter 150 to 153. Frequency is 5. 153 to 156. Frequency is 7. 156 to 159. Frequency is 15. 159 to 162. Frequency is 10. And 162 to 165. Frequency is 5. 165 to 168. Frequency is 3. Total number of frequency, that is n, is equal to 45. Let us see the less than type cumulative frequency. In the first class it will be 0.5. In the second class it will be 0.5 plus 0.7, that is equal to 12. Third class it will be 12 plus 5, 15, and that will be 27. Next class it will be 27 plus 10, that is 37, and 37 plus 5, 42, 42 plus 3, that is 45. So let us see what is the correct answer. Here in the missing boxes we have to write 07 and that answer will be 12. 12 plus 15, that is 27. 27 plus 10 is 37. 37 plus 5 is 42 and 42 plus 3 is 45. Now question number 2. Complete the following cumulative frequency table. The class is given as monthly income, 1000 to 5000, frequency is 45. 5000 to 10,000, frequency is 19. 10,000 to 15,000, frequency is 16. 15,000 to 20,000, frequency is 2. 20,000 to 25,000, frequency is 5. Total frequency is 87. Now, to learn about cumulative frequency which is more than type, Either we will start from the bottom. So 0, 5 will come in the last row. 0, 5 plus 2 will be 0, 7. 0, 7 plus 16 is 23. 23 plus 19 is 42. 42 plus 45 is 87. There is two methods of finding the cumulative frequency more than type. Now this 87 we can write in the first column. 87 minus 45, the answer is 42. 42 minus 19 is 23. 23 minus 16 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So both the methods. Now here I will show the cumulative frequency which is less than type with the same question. So 10,000 to 5,000 is 45, 5,000 to 10,000 is 19, 10,000 to 15,000 is 16, 15,000 to 20,000 is 2, 20,000 to 25,000 is 5. So cumulative frequency which is less than type, we will write the frequency as it is 45. 45 plus 19 will be 64. 64 plus 16 will be 80. 80 plus 2 will be 82. 82 plus 5 will be 87. So here also we are getting the total frequency 87 in the last row, and we will get 87 in more than type in the first row. Question number 3 of exercise 7.4. The data is given for 62 students in a certain class regarding their mathematics marks out of 100. Take the class 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and prepare a frequency distribution table and cumulative frequency table more than or equal to type. The data are 55, 60, 81, 90, 45, 65, 45, 52, 30, 85, 20, 10, 75, 95, 09, 20, 25, 39, 48 and so on. Of 62 students it is given. Let us prepare the table as given in the question. The class marks are in marks 0 to 10 we have tally marks 3. So the frequency is 3. 10 to 20 we got tally marks as 3. So frequency is 3. 20 to 30 we got 9. 30 to 40 we got again 9. 40 to 50 we have 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 3 13. 50 to 60 is 5 plus 1 6. 60 to 70 is 5, frequency is 5. 70 to 80 we got 5 plus 1 6. 80 to 90 we got the frequency as 5, and 90 to 100 we got frequency as 3. Total frequency n is 62. Now we have to make the frequency table which is more than type. So the total frequency is 62, we will write in the top. 62 minus 3 and that is equal to 59. 59 minus 3 will be 56. 56 minus 9 will be 47. 47 minus 9 will be 38. 38 minus 13 is 25. 25 minus 6 is 19. 19 minus 5 is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, which is equal to the frequency of the last class. Now, let us answer the questions which are asked here. How many students obtained marks 40 or above 40? Now from the table we have 38 students who obtained marks 40 or above 40. Second question is how many students obtained marks 90 or above 90. We have 3 students who got more than 90 or above. How many students obtained marks 60 or above 60? The answer is 19 students obtained marks 60 or above 60. What is the cumulative frequency of equal to or more than type of class 0 to 10? The cumulative frequency of equal to or more than type of the class 0 to 10 is 62. 4. Using the data in example number 3 above, prepare less than type cumulative frequency and answer the following questions. So, the table of question number 3 is 0 to 10 frequency was 3, 10 to 20 frequency is 3, 20 to 30 frequency is 9, 30 to 40 frequency is 9, 40 to 50 frequency is 13, 15 to 60 frequency is 6, 60 to 70 frequency is 5, 70 to 80 frequency is 6, 80 to 90 frequency is 5, and 90 to 100 frequency is 3. Total frequency n is equal to 62. We have to find less than type cumulative frequency. So in the first class it will be 3 as it is. Second class it will be 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next class it will be 6 plus next frequency, that is 9, is equal to 15. 15 plus 9 in the next row it will be for 24. 24 plus 13, that is the next frequency, it will be answer will be 37. 37 plus 6 is will be 43. 43 of the class plus 5 is 48 will be the cumulative frequency of the class 60 to 70. 48 plus 6, that is 54, will be the cumulative frequency of 70 to 80. 54 plus 5, that is equal to 59, will be the cumulative frequency of 80 to 90. And 59 plus 3, 62, will be the cumulative frequency of 90 to 100. Answer the questions which are asked here. How many students obtained less than 40 marks? So we have the answer from the previous table, that is 24 students obtained less than 40 marks. How many students obtained less than 10 marks? So number of students who have got less than 10, that is 0 to 10, is 3. So 3 students obtained less than 10 marks. How many students obtained less than 60 marks? 43 students have got less than 60 marks. Find the cumulative frequency of the class 50 to 60. The cumulative frequency of class 50 to 60 is 43. Ninth standard from Model High School, Nandapur. They have scored following marks out of 80 in written exam of mathematics, that are 70, 50, 60, 66, 45, 46, 38, 30, 40, and so on. By taking classes 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on, prepare the less than type cumulative frequency table. Using the table, we have to answer the following questions. Let us make the cumulative frequency table from the marks given in the question. The classes are 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, as given in the question. The tally marks from 30 to 40 are 14, so the frequency is 14. Tally marks in the class 40 to 50 is 20. 50 to 60, the tally marks are 11. From 60 to 70, the tally marks are 12. And 70 to 80, tally marks is 9. 80 to 90, the tally marks is 2. When we add the total frequency, it is 14 plus 20 plus 11 plus 12 plus 9 plus 2, that is 68. Let us see the less than type cumulative frequency. In the first class 30 to 40, the cumulative frequency is 14. In the second class 40 to 50, the cumulative frequency will become 14 plus 20, that is 34. 50 to 60, third class, that will be 34 plus 11, that is 45. In the next class 60 to 70, the cumulative frequency becomes 45 plus 12, that is 57. Then in 70 to 80 class, the cumulative frequency will become 57 to 9 plus 9 is equal to 66. In the last class, it will be 66 plus 2, and that is equal to 68. Let us do the questions given in this slide. How many students have scored marks less than 80? Now, we have to see in the class from 70 to 80 what is the cumulative frequency, that is 66. So, 66 students have scored marks which is less than 80. How many students have scored marks less than 40? Let us see the first class, that is 30 to 40. The number of students who got less than 40 is 14. How many students have scored marks less than 60? Now in the class 50 to 60, we have the frequency 45, which is less than type. So 45 students have scored marks less than 60. 7 of problem set 7. By using the data in example number 6 and taking the class 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and so on, prepare equal to or more than type cumulative frequency table and answer the following questions based on it. Let us make the cumulative frequency of more than type. The class in marks are 30 to 40. The frequencies were 14. 40 to 50 class, the frequency is 20. 50 to 60, the class is 11. 60 to 70, the frequency is for 12. 70 to 80, the frequency is 9. And 80 to 90, the frequency is 2. Total frequency is 68. Now, more than type cumulative frequency is the total frequency 68 will come in the first class, that is 30 to 40. Then 68 minus 14 will be 54. 54 minus 20 will be 34. 34 minus 11 will be 23. 23 minus 12 will be 11. And 11 minus 9 will be 2. So the 2, which is the frequency of that class, will be coming here in the same cumulative frequency also. Now, what is the question? How many students have scored marks 70 or more than 70? Now, when we get this type of questions, we have to use the cumulative frequency, which is more than type. Now, 11 students have scored 70 or more than 70. From the class 70 to 80, we have got the more than type cumulative frequency. The number is 11. Now, next question. How many students have scored marks 30 or more than 30? Now, in the class, first 30 to 40, we have cumulative frequency, that is 68. So, 68 students have scored 30 or more than 30. Now, two questions of problem set 7 and the remaining questions from 7.4. Let us have a recap of what we have learned in the module. We have learned about cumulative frequency, that is less than type cumulative frequency and more than type cumulative frequency. We have solved questions related to cumulative frequency from practice set 7.4 and 2 questions from practice set problem set 7. Thank you.